Good morning, how's it going? It's Sergio here with Nissan of Tustin. Just wanted to show you a little bit more here of the Nissan Kicks 2018 model that you inquired about. It is a white exterior with a graphite dark interior. SV model gets you a couple different features standard, such as the alloy wheels. The car does come standard with AM, FM, power locks, power windows, backup camera, Bluetooth. You can see it's very nice, well taken care of interior. No scratches, no stains, no tears. You got your steering wheel controls here, volume changing station hanging up and picking up phone calls. And this is what your backup camera looks like right there. So it helps you back up. It also shows you the predictive lines where you're basically going to be going to help you back up and get into those tight parking spaces. The vehicle is pretty compact, which means you're going to get great gas mileage, but it's very comfortable and very spacious on the inside as well, so that you can actually use it and take advantage of the vehicle. Large cargo space. As you can see, the car is here and available. Give me a call, let me know what time you can swing by. I will be here till 9 p.m. today. You can call my personal cell phone at 818-621-8026. Thank you very much. Have a great day.